Is Putin using a body double? Listen here. Skeptics say spotting a decoy is all in the ears. It's like, this is like an AI. It's all in the hands.
Yeah.
AI,
That's
look
how
at the
they spot
hands.
it. Yeah.
Human decoy, look at the ears. Yeah. Well, the ears are more likely to show up in photos of prominent individuals because they're not usually showing off their hands anyway. The ear is there so long as the face and head are there.
And they could do plastic surgery with the face, but apparently it's really hard for the ears. Almost impossible to make it look exactly the same as someone else.
Because you got all this weird folding stuff going on.
Yeah,
Ears
it's very
are
complex.
Strange.
So there's a conspiracy out there that Putin has been like having multiple like versions of himself.
Hell yeah.
In Ukraine territory. You know? And it's been done before, this kind of stuff.
Yeah, the
having,
body
like,
double. No,
doubles.
I see it all the time. I saw a clip with Zelensky where there's a guy dressed exactly like him.
Yeah.
He doesn't look exactly like him, but enough so from a distance. And then he stops at one point, and the real guy picks up the rest of the way as the cameras. It's safety stuff, right? They're not trying to get assassinated or whatever. So they got to have these doubles going on, these decoys.
This is Kim Jong-un.
Kim Jong got the body double. Oh, he's probably got 10 body doubles.
Yeah. And they look alike here.
Yeah, it all depends on the distance, proximity, point of view, whether or not you're going to buy it. But for, I suppose, safety purposes, it might not have to look exactly identical. Now, the reason they're bringing up Vladimir here is because he was visiting some areas in devastated areas in Ukraine there. Surprise visit to occupied areas of Ukraine this weekend. The trip to the besieged region renewed claims that Putin uses body doubles for public appearances. Skeptics believe his doubles have had surgery to look like him and point to his ears as proof. Wow. Petro Andrushchenko, an advisor to the mayor of Mariupol, the besieged Ukrainian city, wrote on Telegram that Putin or one of his doubles had paid an overnight visit to the occupied region. The original article had been updated to remove references to Putin using a body double. The Washington Post did not immediately respond to the request for comment about why the article was updated. However, the Post isn't the first publication to reference the possibility of a Putin body double. While the conspiracy may sound wild, there are elements of truth to it. Political decoys are sometimes used on the international stage, and people can be identified by certain measurements of their ears. Wow. Well, everyone's going to figure me out now. I haven't been in a video in 10 years.
Yeah. You're dead.
The one thing that gives them away is their height. It's visible in videos and pictures, also gesturing, body language, and earlobes, since they are unique for every person. No two earlobes created equal. Huh.
It makes me think, like, how do we know if he's still alive even? Could be a double, living a life.
Why do you think we wear these headphones?
Yeah, we don't show our ears.
Never seen them.
We're cloned.
You never saw anything. Somebody said it in the chat. Shout out. So this is a video of it? Let me see if I call body doubler. I see an ear.
Yeah.
Ear looks a little... And talking. And driving? So Putin is actually driving?
Yeah.
So that's surprising. Supposedly, Putin visited Mariupol, went through 10 articles on various Russian media sites and didn't find any evidence of it. This is the only video of his visit. He's at the wheel, driving through the streets, but you can barely even see him. And then it says, looks legit with a bunch of laughing. And they say, look at the ears. Wow.
Yeah, it goes pretty deep.
Look at the ears, they say. God, those ears are pretty close, though.
Yeah.
Or is that the same ear? Is that Putin both times?
Well, that's the right ear and that's the left ear, right? So it's really hard to tell.
What does this caption say? Ears are like thumbprints. Which one matches? Okay, so they're saying that's Putin's ear, and then let's go look at the other guy's ear in the video clip.
That's so hard to tell.
I think it's a different ear, man. Is that what?
You think
Is
it's a
that,
different
is that
ear?
what we're getting at here? I don't know. Or it's bent over more, but maybe it's just the angle.
Yeah.
But also, how am I supposed to even know that that driving clip is Ukraine? Like, based on what? The surroundings? The watermark in the corner? The hotel over there in the distance? I don't know. There's probably so much evidence and stuff here that we would have to dive into. You probably got people all fired up now, trying to figure out what's really real, as per usual on this show. What is really real? That's our subtext to our headline.